Okay, we're back. So now we have our long piece that we just sewed together in the last video. And now what we're gonna do, I have my iron here and I have my binding in my hand. So I'm gonna take my binding and I am going to, let's see if I put my iron over here. I'm gonna take my binding and I am going to take it and I am going to fold it in half. Just half. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to press it. So I'm going to keep on putting it in half and I'm going to press it. That is my problem with my new tripod, is the iPhone part will, the iPad part will not hold my iPad. It's like it won't hold the weight of it. And so that's a bummer. The old one, the light went out, so I needed a new one so I could have a light. So I'm not even using the light on this one because I was trying to get it together. So you're just gonna fold it in half and you're going to fold it in half and you're just gonna press it all the way down. And then like when you come to this part right here, you can press it up or down. It doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter, whichever preference you prefer. And then you're just gonna keep on pressing this in half until you get all the way to the bottom. And it'll be nice and pressed in half. And that's all you're gonna do to this part. And then once you've gotten it all pressed in half, what you can do is you could take it, it's all pressed now in half right here, and then you could just roll it up and get it prepared for the next step, which will be to put it on your quilt once you get it all together. That's all you do, is just roll it up. So that's all you do for this part. So in the next part, we are going to start putting some seams into the quilt. So stay tuned for that. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends. Bye-bye.